Hi world, good morning. Welcome back to the healthier side of things. And guys, yes, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna make some peanut punch with a little bit of oats in it. When you're making peanut punch, you can use the raw peanut. This is ideal. However, I'm gonna show you another way to use the peanut butter. Same thing, it's gonna give you protein. That's what you need. All right, also you can add some nutriment or meal replacement or supplement, ensure whatever you want in it. All right guys, so now let's get into the video. I'm going to use some crushed ice. I have 1 cup of oats. I'm going to use some vanilla right there. So you can use some nutmeg, some cinnamon, and I'm going to use some almond milk and some peanut butter. But I'm not going to use nutmeg today. I'm going to use some mace. This is really good. I love this so much now. It's the outer covering or the mesh of the nutmeg. All right, first I'm going to pour my oats in. Wait, don't make it waste. And after that, I'm going to pour about 1 cup of almond milk in it. That will do. Put a little bit of vanilla, about half teaspoon. Or you can put a teaspoon if you like it. I'm gonna put about a tip of cinnamon, maybe 1/4 teaspoon, just a tip. Also a tip of mace, same, about 1/4 teaspoon, not much, just a little. You just gonna flavor it up. All right, I don't think it's coming out, but anyhow. And the next step, I'm gonna put a big tablespoon of peanut butter. Peanut butter is a little bit hard because I keep it in the fridge. 1 tablespoon is good. See the guys, a little bit more than 1 tablespoon, but I'm gonna put that amount in it. I'm gonna put my crushed ice. I'm gonna put a little bit first. And guys, optional, you need a finger of ripe banana. You can put it in it, yes or no. All right, and then I'm gonna top it up with the rest of the ice. Don't waste. Come ice, go in ahead. And that's it guys. As I said before, you can put some supplement, some ensure, some meal replacement, some nutriment. You can add a little bit in this, but this is good enough. Or you can use a raw peanut. This is a quick way, good for breakfast, lunch. If you're on the go, going for a workout, yeah, just have some of this. Now my peeps, I'm just gonna blend it. Let's go. And that's it guys. Can you see the richness? I put my glass in the freezer and let's throw this bad boy out. Look how rich and nice it is guys. Really filling. So good. My delicious peanut and oats punch, or smoothie, however you want to call it guys. Really filling and nice. And you know, say oats add a lot of fiber, good for your cholesterol, and lots of protein from the peanut butter. Or you can use the raw peanut. It's up to you. Next video will be the raw peanut. I'm just showing you how you can do a quick smoothie or a quick drink at home, Jamaican style. My peanut oats smoothie or drink or punch, same thing. 6 of one, half dozen of the other. Really refreshing and nice. All right guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys, Jamaican style. Yes. Oh guys, if you have some Lasco peanut, you can put it in there, or you can put some Lasco almond milk. You can do whatever you want, or you can use some tin milk too guys. All right guys. One love and be blessed. Bye guys.